Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing $1 Dollar Tree dupes for Michael's Fall 2019 decor. You guys loved my Hobby Lobby versions of this, so of course I had to bring you a Michael's one as well. To make it easy on you, Michael's will always be on the left and Dollar Tree will always be on the right. I am going to list pricing and dimensions for both stores. As far as the Michael's pricing though, I'm going to assume that these items will go to 50% off in a few weeks. So I'm going to be referencing the 50% off price throughout this video because I don't think you should buy anything from a craft store at full price. First, we have these really beautiful carved pumpkins that are carried at each store. And while we're here, let me just say that Dollar Tree only lists the dimensions of the tallest pumpkin, which is 4.25 inches. They don't list the other sizes. I apologize for that, but Michael's did list all of the sizes, so I put them to the right of each pumpkin. Now the Michael's ones are a little bit bigger by 1 inch to 1.5 inches, but they cost 5 times the price of the Dollar Tree one. The Dollar Tree one also has a beautiful tin leaf on it. I like these better, and you can craft with these if you don't like the colors. You can spray paint them, you can glitter them, you can do whatever you want, and it's totally within budget, and you don't have to feel bad because it cost just $1. Next up, we have these cute glazed ceramic pumpkins. The Michael's version is $5 and it is 2.75 inches tall. The Dollar Tree one, $1, 3.5 inches tall. I think this is an easy choice and I like the Dollar Tree glaze better. Next, we have these adorable pumpkin tabletop decor pieces. I was actually shocked to see these at Michael's. I had already seen them on the Dollar Tree website and they are very, very similar. The Michael's version cost $7, so about $3.50 on sale, and they are 7 inches tall, while the Dollar Tree one is $1 and it's 7.25 inches tall, so it's actually even taller. I don't know, you guys, I just think it's so crazy how Dollar Tree can produce something so similar to the craft stores and other higher end places. It just blows my mind. Another really close dupe are these burlap tabletop pumpkins that are carried at both stores. At Michael's, they're going to be $3.50 on sale and they're 6.5 inches tall. Dollar Tree, of course, $1, and they are 7.25 inches tall. I've seen both in person. I have the Dollar Tree ones, and I went to Michael's last weekend and saw these. By the way, I did a shop with me there. I'll link it below if you want to check it out. But the Michael's ones are a lot thicker. I like them a little bit better, but honestly, not enough to pay the price difference. So again, Dollar Tree wins here. I hope you guys don't mind. I wanted to throw in this item because I think it would be such a quick, easy, beginner level DIY that would cost you under $2 to do. So Michael's has these adorable little tabletop house shaped signs, and Dollar Tree does as well. The Dollar Tree ones are out this summer with more, summery colors in them, but you could just go to Michael's, buy a 25-cent sheet of fall craft paper and cut it and then Mod Podge it inside. So again, it would be under probably $2. Anyone could do this, and I just think it would be such a cute idea. So if you guys want to see me DIY some of these into fall decor pieces, let me know and I will whip that up real quick and have it up in time for you to still snag these at your Dollar Tree. So if you watched my Hobby Lobby version of this video, then you've already seen these adorable truck signs from Dollar Tree. I think they are going to be the #1 item there this fall, but Michael's is getting in on the little red truck sign action. Theirs appears to be tin though. I do want to say that the Dollar Tree one is the kind of like pressed MDF board, but the Michael's one, of course, is $16, so $8 on sale. Is 13 inches tall. The Dollar Tree one is going to be $1, 4 quarters, 100 pennies, however you want to look at it, and it's 11.5 inches tall. Next up, we have these mason jar signs from Michaels. They're going to be $5 on sale, and they are 11.5 inches tall. From Dollar Tree, $1, 13.5 inches tall. So the Dollar Tree one is going to be bigger. Again, this is MDF press board from Dollar Tree. I'm not 100% sure if it's a solid wood piece from Michaels, but you kind of get the same look from both of these, and the Dollar Tree one has really good DIY potential as well. Last but not least, we have these gold stem pumpkins from both stores. The Michaels one has a lot more detail. There are gold leaves carved into them, and all three pumpkins are the same size. They're also going to be at least $4 on sale, and they are 5 inches tall. From Dollar Tree, there's less detail, no leaves or carved embellishments, and they do come in different sizes and heights. The colors are similar, the gold stem is similar. They're a little bit smaller at 3.375 inches tall, but I think they kind of have the same look. You guys will have to let me know what you think. So that's going to be a wrap on the Dollar Tree dupes for Michaels fall decor. I think I've covered pretty much every awesome new and old decor piece that is on the Dollar Tree website right now. Hopefully, as they add more things and more things pop up in stores, I can do more of these dupes videos for you guys. If you have any video requests for more kind of fall videos, please leave them in the comments below so I can keep making videos for you guys that you enjoy. And if you like this one, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more like these, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye guys.